Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my video is wildlife conservation. What is wildlife conservation? According to the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, wildlife includes any animal, bees, butterfly, crustaceans, fish and moth, and aquatic or land vegetation which form part of any habitat. Therefore, wildlife refers to living organisms, flora and fauna in their natural habitats. For example, lion, deer, crocodiles. Benefits of wildlife. Wildlife is an essential component of various food chains, food webs, biogeochemical cycles, and energy flow through various trophic levels. Threats to wildlife. Habitat loss. Population growth, fast industrialization, urbanization, and modernization have all contributed to a large scale destruction of natural habitat of plants and animals. Indiscriminate hunting. Indiscriminate hunting, killing, and poaching of wild animals for food, horn, fur, tusks, etc., has resulted in reduction and even extinction of many wild species. Introduction of exotic species. Many native species have known to disappear and their existence is under threat because of introduction of exotic and alien species. Threats to wildlife in pollution, air, water, soil and noise pollution of the magnitude and toxicity never seen before is a major factor. Natural habitats have been destroyed or damaged by the activities such as indiscriminate use of synthetic materials, release of radiations and oil spills in the sea, generation of effluents and waste of various kinds and toxicity and their unscientific disposal. Importance of wildlife conservation. Beauty. Economic value. Timber, fur, tusk, leather, honey, etc. Scientific value. Gene pool for the scientists to carry breeding programmers in agriculture, animal husbandry and fishery. Maintain ecological balance. Ecotourism. And the causes of wildlife destruction. Habitat loss. Extensive human demand resulted into habitat loss. Rainforests are the main habitats. Tropical rainforests are cleared for wood, timber resources, development of petroleum resources, mineral resources. Second most critical factor in species extinction. Now there are 20% less forest cover than existed 300 years ago. Cause of wildlife destruction, poaching and hunting. Another major cause of animal species extinction. Poaching and illegal trade in animals are of about 10 to 15 million dollars per year worldwide. National and international wildlife trade, pet fur, meat, body parts trade, and trade for biomedical research. Climate change, global warming, pollution, introduced invasive species, farmer and rancher shootings. Effects of wildlife depletion, unbalanced food chain and ecosystem, reduction in rare wild animals, impact on biodiversity, loss of economic value, danger to human life, loss in genetic information. Extinction animals. Within the last 400 years, at least 4 mammals are known to have disappeared from Pakistan. For example, Indian one-horned rhinoceros, swamp deer. Further, 4 species are also extinct in recent decades: Indian wild ass, black buck, hangul, and Asiatic cheetah. Endangered species of plants like berberries, red sandalwood, etc. Some steps to conserve and management of wildlife. Laws should be made to force a total ban on killing or capturing of any animal or bird belonging to an endangered species. The natural habitats of wild animals and birds should be preserved by establishing national parks and throughout the country to control the spread of transmittable disease. Special attention should be paid to the conservation of endangered species of wild animals and birds to prevent their extinction. Use of scientific knowledge and technical skills to protect, conserve, enhance, or create wildlife habitat. To manage wildlife, one must find out the population status. Number of animals is determined by the difference in birth rate and death rate.